Question libraries enable randomized question selection for quizzes. D2L supports multiple choice, true-false, short answer, matching, and long answer quiz questions. While D2L facilitates import of questions into the question library, this tutorial will demonstrate how to manually add questions. To do so, click Assessment, then Quizzes and Exams from the drop-down menu that appears. Click on the Question Library tab. Click the New button, and then select the type of question you want to add to the library. For this tutorial, we will use multiple choice questions. Enter the question text. Then enter one correct answer and 3 distractors. Be sure to place a check mark by the correct answer. Select Randomize Answer Order to randomize the way answers are presented each time the question appears. Click the down arrow next to the Save button and select Save and New. Repeat until all questions are entered into the library. Once you have finished entering questions, click Save, and you will see the list of questions in your question library.